and shame. Can't get no choice, I'm caught up in here.
No love now show up badness a chop. New recruiter try fi broke him nut. Can't get squawk so him gets the shot and bust him wing pipe and cut out him gun. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, and let's start Dawg gone away.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yes, man, blessed, love, a pleasant good morning to each and every one. Thursday, the 16th, or Wednesday, the 16th of October, you know. Give thanks to life, health, and strength. Give thanks to another day. I don't know, a lion foot, the man of peace. See, every day we wake up, we give thanks to life. You see me I say? Yeah, man, touch the screen. Good morning, Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie, I Joe. That's the far right evaluate of a show of faithful, you know. Yeah, man, give thanks to life, man. Every day, you know, wake up my people, and I forgive thanks to life, health, and strength. Give thanks to another day, you know. Can't stop reiterating it. Anyway, when you're in the world and I check in right now, big up on yourself for the man of peace. You see me I say, big up people up on the platform, big up the fans them. You see me I say, yeah, man, I want to love and respect, man. I don't know, big up the subscribers them and the unsubscribers them. If you want to take away yourself off of the channel, please do so. Now lose a day's sleep. You see me I say? You see me I say? Now earn the money off of YouTube, but we are doing it. Stay active. Don't know voice can change your life or help a soul. You see me I say? Yeah, man, I don't know, I love we say unity and strength. You see, my viewers and subscribers. But this in this vlog right now, just a forward off high school run, and I say, Jano, the world Dawg thing, incident, shook up the internet. We see people that pray on social TikTok. We never bust a prayer yet. We see them a pray, which nothing wrong with that still, you know. I don't know if you pray every day, whether out loud or in your heart or your thoughts. Don't wait upon the, you know, the destruction to fall, to reach you for you to say a word of prayer. Pray to the Lord, talk to Him. You know, God is in with us, in our spirit, you know, the inner spirit. Yeah, God is in with us. We are all God's. So I say, is how we portray ourselves in the outer world. You see it? And the best way to live is to live clean and real and honest with people, you know. People take it for granted. All the composure and just know say, them are the loser, you see me? They're the one whose heart is gonna crumble inside of them. They're the one who them conscience is gonna burn them and ride them because they know what they are doing is wrong. As what the Bible said. Forgive them for they know not what they have done. You see me I say? Yeah, man, it's a speedy recovery for your world Dawg. Don't know him in person, but you don't know. Yeah, that's a speedy recovery. Wouldn't like that happen to me nor no one, you know what I mean? And sometimes them say your best friend is your worst enemy. You know what I mean? Bob Marley tell you that. You see me I say, condolence to the person, the brother who lost his life, and them say his name Joe. Condolence. You know what I mean? We see him have a picture with a little baby. That time, you know, him newborn. Condolence to the family, the grieving family. You see me I say, and you see it? Yeah, man. But we see words out there saying the world Dawg mix up. You see me and them thing there. And we draw back for your song. When we see man Ding Dong do recently and him post it, I wonder if that song the trigger off everything. Cause we see a video go around with him, my brother, where cuss him and I say him chat squash them and all of them things. And if him chat everything, the man go down and dirt him straight away. You see that video there circle around. We don't know if I lie him or tell, if you know, mix up world Dawg or for true, as me say. I don't know. We have a social media platform, so we use it to try resolve the situation or give advice. As we say, you know, the words can change a life or, you know, help someone to go up on the right path. You see me I say? So Ding Dong and World Dawg do a video. I wonder if that spiral of everything. Because I may be wrong, but I listen to the words of the song, what I true and you know, shade that go on. You see me? Listen to that little piece here.
Look like Dolly. Y'all right back, particular any Dolly. Burning word dog, we are born and song. Look for my chain, pussy them shame. Call them a try, them call up in the air. Billions of me alone, we don't see me.
Nice song. You know, Ding Dong is a consistent artist. We find hits, and him up on the ground, I do him thing, and you know what I mean? No place like Jamaica on the ground. You see what I say? If you do your music, yeah, you see it. So World Dawg go down there, keep him party, man, Swiss Lee. And we see people that say, Swiss Lee involved here, Swiss Lee set up that. No, sir. But me not leave Swiss Lee part for now still, but in the song, have another listen again.
Look for my chain, pussy them shame. Call them a try, them call up in the air. Billions of me alone, we don't see me.
Look for my chain, pussy them shame. There. I don't hear him say this, but him say, shut and call up my name. Is it the video where the brother go around and I say, World Dawg I say about gun missing up and six them and them one, this and that. Look for my chain, pussy them shame. Then I call up my name. Remember him got Jamaica and keep him big event, him and Swiss Lee keep the event. I don't know if I told them do it or Ramesh do it, but them attend a big event, see? And then him gonna do song with Ding Dong. That's elevation, you know? Those things can spiral bad mind, envy, grudge. See? It's just like a normal youth in a garrison where I try to bust out in a music thing. I have a next artist, a bad mind, and I say, hey, you think me make a bust before me and set up your life, make you lose your life, or them say one take your life because a bad mind. People sprinkle powder on my doorway already, you know. Yeah, because they thought I was going to get the breakthrough 2013. I remember look. One man said, look down, you know. I come from Uptown Mondays. You see me? The morning, I come out early to go play ball. You see? Up at camp, you see me, I say? I might say, look down, I'm look down. I powder, I see sprinkle on my door. And my mother broke up and wash out that and everything. So people can be bad mind. World Dawg can mix up and them things, you see me? But we don't know. But me I go for me hearing the song. Me I say, I wonder if I that, I may be wrong. Look for my name, post them shame. And I call up my name. See me? Alright. Now we see people that say Swiss Lee involved and Swiss Lee a hypocrite and Swiss Lee set up the man's life. Come on now, I don't believe that my people. I may be wrong, but I find it hard to believe. The two men them just go to Jamaica and, you know, enjoy themselves. Look at these pictures. Look at the picture. That show like bond and respect, you know, and brotherly love. So for your people that say Swiss Lee, I find it hard to believe. If Swiss Lee did wrong, doing nothing, maybe that would have done in Jamaica. You know, maybe they have them security, I don't know. But because the man have them money can pay for security while it's in Jamaica. But as soon as him land back in Miami where him reside, that reach him, you see me? So I find it hard to believe still. Let me know what you think in the comment section. You know, accusation and speculation is a dangerous thing. If you don't have the facts, you know what I mean, you have to be careful because it can come bite back, you know? Come and bite you back in the end or repercussion. You see what I say? But me personally find it hard to believe Swiss Lee involved. Swiss Lee set it up because of bad mind and grudge. The man make too much money for you to fight against him one another. That is the next thing. They're making so much money off of social media. I wish it was me. With a boss already in my music thing, I want to see how talented I am. I invest back those money in my music. You see me? But until then, I don't know if I'm going to do 9 to 5 and give thanks to life. You see me? I say each to their own, you know? But the man make money, why Swiss Lee with a bad mind, World Dawg? I don't know. I find it hard to believe still, but let me know what you think to my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. And the man of peace, Lion Foot. Have a blessed day. Holy Manuel I Selassie. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe if you feel like doing so, and click the bell. If you want to unsubscribe, take for yourself. See me I say, do so at your own free will. You see me I say? Yeah man. Big up on yourself again. blessed love all over to the world. See it? Give thanks in life. Joe Rastafari.